Creating a stylish and comfortable home begins with understanding your personal style. Start by exploring different decorating styles such as modern, rustic, or eclectic. Pinterest and interior design websites are excellent sources of inspiration. As you compile your ideas, take note of colors, patterns, and textures that resonate with you. Your decor should reflect your identity, making each room a unique expression of who you are. Once you have a clear vision, it's time to focus on functionality and layout. Assess the space available and consider how you use each area. Think about the flow of movement. Ensure that furniture placement allows for easy navigation while maximizing the functionality of the room. Incorporate essential elements such as seating and tables, while also considering storage solutions. Multifunctional furniture can be a practical decision, especially for smaller spaces, adding style without overwhelming the environment. Color selection plays a crucial role in the ambiance of your home. Choose a color palette that aligns with your style and brings a sense of cohesion across rooms. Light colors can make spaces feel larger and brighter, while darker shades create intimacy. Accents such as cushions, rugs, and curtains can introduce pops of color without overpowering the overall scheme. Layering different textures like cozy knit throws or smooth metallics will enhance depth and invite warmth into your living spaces. Use decor elements such as artwork and mirrors to add character and charm, showcasing personal stories or cherished memories along the walls. Lighting transforms the mood of a space significantly. Mix different types of lighting: ambient for overall brightness, task for specific activities, and accent for highlighting decor features. Use warm light bulbs to create a welcoming environment. Incorporating natural light where possible instills a sense of openness. Strategically placed mirrors can amplify light and provide a spacious illusion while showcasing your stylish choices. Lastly, don't shy away from personal touches in your decorating journey. Plants can bring life and freshness into your home, while unique collectibles personalize your space further. Allow your aesthetics to evolve, infusing new pieces over time, and ensure they speak to your experiences and memories. By blending functionality with your unique sense of style, you'll create a home that is not only visually appealing, but also feels like a haven for you and your loved ones.